Hello guys, welcome to Scan Math Tutor. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to post on ANP, an article or anything. So I'm just going to be posting news today, and you can get your news from any news site. Like here right now I'm on Al Jazeera. You can get your news from CNN, Zambia's Daily News, Zambia's Watchdog. There are so many news sites or article sites where you can get your post from. So it's not just about news and everything like that. You can post poems, so you can go for poem websites and then you can just copy and paste it just like that. So right now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you have to just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification so that you'll be updated with all our videos and everything. So make sure you comment and you give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, just so I'm going to break the posting on ANP in 3 parts. So the first part is getting your news at the right time. So guys, so most of the times, the time that I get my news is around 0 hours. That's the time I prepare my news. It's very important to prepare your news before posting because you only have 5 minutes, and it's very stressful. It's a tug of war, face come, face save. So make sure when you're posting, you have to make sure you get the latest news. So like here, my post is just 34 minutes ago. Right there, it's just 34 minutes ago. And then so you can't just get news from 1990 something and just post it right now, unless maybe it's an article. So it can't be news or anything like that unless it's an article, a documentation or something like that. But when you're posting news, it has to be latest, and most of all, it has to be trending. You just don't get any boring news and post it there. It has to be something which is most read. And then so you have to obviously download an image to go with your news, and it has to be a good quality image. So here's the title. It's saying coronavirus, what sporting events are affected by the pandemic. So obviously you need the sports image, and this is the image which is on the news. You just have to download the image. You can click on download image. The image will be downloaded for you, and so the other step that you have to do is copy your news. So you can copy your news. You just have to select the things which are connected to your news, because you can find a lot of things here. Here there's an image, so you just can't start from the beginning and just copy everything. Your news won't even look that nice. So that's why I'm saying you have to get your news on time and make sure it's in the right format. So if I just went all the way from top and just copied everything, I would have copied something which is irrelevant. So you just have to copy this thing and just paste it in the notepad. That should be. If you don't have the notepad, I've put it in the link in the description box. You can download it, and so all these things, some things are not even like even here there's even an ad. Like when you're posting it, it will just look scruffy and everything. So you just get the things connected. So after you have gotten your news, you have downloaded the image, you have copied and pasted it properly in your notepad. The next part is let me show you an example of the news which so this is the notepad that I use, and here's examples of so this is an example of the news which I posted, which is in my notepad. So From here, like everything here, this paragraph is the title. This is the title of the news, and then the news starts, or this article, it starts from on Wednesday and goes all the way to in so it's very important to add the source. So sometimes they don't even some posts, they don't have an author, I mean the person who published it, but so yeah, you can skip that if there is none, you don't have to worry. But the most important part is the source. Like if you haven't added the source, you are risking your account of being banned or blocked or whatever they do. But you make sure if it's not an original content, you just have to follow the instructions and just get the source. And yes, and make sure you don't get big news. Like there are just some news which are very long, and you get disappointed when you try to post something long and then it tells you maximum 2,000 words, and you're just over the limit by the time you're going back to prepare another news, and that stress of refreshing, you won't manage. So just make sure you have a news which is short, not that long, but the minimum is 150 words. So obviously, this is more than 150 words, and it's less than the maximum.
Okay guys, so this is an easier way to post faster on ANP. If you want to post faster on ANP, you can simply get the title of your post. So mine here says "Doing the Rock," blah blah blah, that's my title. So just get your title and cut it to the bottom of your post. So you just give me a second, cut it and take it to the bottom of your post. They are just after the source, and you can paste it down there. So why this is faster is because when you go on ANP, the website, and you post, you paste the post in the ANP box section there where you have to paste, it automatically takes you to the bottom of your post. And so instead of you having to scroll back up on top of your post to cut your title, you can just simply cut it because it's already on the bottom. You can just simply cut it from there and go directly to paste it into the title section there. And that's just a faster way of copying and pasting to increase the chances of your post going through.
Like most of the time, I make sure that when it's 0050, I make sure I select everything, like everything here has been selected, and then I just copy it, and then I go to the official page of posting on ANP. So 0050, you just go there, create your post, you click on create post. So here, if you're posting on ANP for the first time, you need to make sure you read everything which is here and understand it, because it's very important. So if you're posting on ANP, make sure if you've never read this, make sure you read it, because anything that violates the posting rules, it can make your account to be blocked. So if you understand what's here, you just click proceed. So when it's time, it will take you to this page. So this is the second part of posting. So this is very difficult if you have a slow internet connection, so you have to be quick about this. Like paste. So to make it easy for you to cut and paste the title, rather than scrolling up there, you just have to make sure it's down here where the source is. So you can just cut it out and remove this unnecessary space here, and then you can scroll up after cutting it and paste it here where it says title. Then select category, since in this case it's for entertainment. A lot of options here, but for me it's an entertainment post or entertainment. So I did not originally create this post. It was copied from a website. So select copied from a website, and then you can select the image which is related to the post when you download it, and then you can finally submit for review. It will just come back and say new post created and pending approval.